Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the best ideas for generating passive income. If you're looking to make some extra money on the side, or even replace your full-time income, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to share with you our top ideas for passive income that you can start implementing right away. Our first idea is creating an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as marketing, graphic design, or cooking, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Once you've created the course, you can sit back and watch the income roll in. Our second idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. By investing in these types of stocks, you can earn a steady stream of passive income. Our third idea is creating an ebook. If you're a good writer and have expertise in a particular area, you can create an ebook and sell it on platforms like Amazon. Once you've written the book, you can sit back and watch the income roll in. Our fourth idea is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. You can promote products through your blog, social media channels, or even your YouTube channel. Our fifth idea is renting out your property. If you have a spare room in your home, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb. This can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. Our sixth idea is creating a mobile app. If you have programming skills, you can create a mobile app and sell it on platforms like the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is live, you can earn passive income from app sales and in-app purchases. Our seventh and final idea is creating a YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating video content, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and product placements. With the right content, you can earn a significant amount of passive income from your channel. And there you have it, our top ideas for generating passive income. We hope you found these ideas helpful, and we encourage you to start implementing them today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.